Hey guys, what if I told you Apple's about to flip the script on their iPhone launches in a way that could totally shake up how we buy these things? Stick around because this leak on the iPhone 18 Pro Max is straight fire. It might just change everything we expect from Apple this year. Alright, let's dive right in. The big bombshell here is this wild rumor that's been picking up steam. Apple might be splitting up the iPhone 18 lineup launch. Yeah, you heard that right. Instead of dropping the whole family at once in September like they always do, word on the street is they're launching the premium beasts, the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max, first in the fall of 2026, along with that long-teased foldable iPhone. Then, the more affordable ones, like the standard iPhone 18 and maybe an iPhone 18e, wouldn't hit until spring of 2027. Now, is this confirmed? Nah, it's still in the rumor mill, coming from supply chain whisperers and analysts like those at Bloomberg and Apple Insider. But think about it. This could be Apple's way to spotlight the high-end stuff without the basics stealing the show. Or maybe it's just production hiccups forcing their hand. Either way, if you're eyeing a Pro model, you might not have to wait as long. But budget hunters? Oof, that extra few months could sting. But wait, that's not even the juiciest part. Let's talk design, because the iPhone 18 Pro Max is supposedly getting its biggest visual glow-up in years. Leaks from display insiders are pointing to a shrunk-down dynamic island. We're talking from about 20.76 millimeters wide to just 13.49 millimeters. That's a serious trim. For the uninitiated, the dynamic island's that pill-shaped cutout at the top that houses the Face ID and front camera. Shrinking it means more screen real estate, and it feels like Apple's inching toward that all-screen dream. Oh, and get this, there's chatter about under-display Face ID finally making its debut on the Pro Max. That would hide the sensors completely under the glass, making the front look super clean. Is this locked in? Not yet, but reports from sites like Geeky Gadgets are backing it, calling it a technological milestone. Just imagine unlocking your phone without any visible notch. Game changer, right? Now, on the display front, things are heating up too. Rumors suggest Samsung's supplying an LTPO Plus panel for the Pro Max, which could crank up the brightness and sip less battery juice. We're hearing whispers of even better energy efficiency, which ties into another leak. The phone might get thicker and heavier to pack in a bigger battery. Yeah, no more complaining about all-day life. This could finally deliver. And colors? Oh man, early leaks are teasing some fresh vibes like a deep burgundy, a bold purple, and even a coffee brown. Coffee brown on an iPhone? Kinda quirky, but I could see it looking premium in a matte finish. Not everyone's cup of tea, but hey, variety's a spice of life. Shifting gears to performance, the A20 chip is expected to power this thing, bringing next-level speed and AI smarts. And RAM? The base models might jump to 12 gigabytes, matching the Pros. That's a solid upgrade for multitasking without feeling like you're skimping. Camera-wise, while details are fuzzy, expect the usual Apple polish with better low-light shots and maybe some new AI tricks for editing. But remember, a lot of this is speculation based on supply chain leaks. Nothing's official until Tim Cook hits the stage. Whew, that's a lot to unpack, huh? If these rumors pan out, the iPhone 18 Pro Max could be Apple's boldest move yet, blending killer hardware with a smarter launch strategy. What do you think? Excited for the split release, or does it sound like a headache? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like if you're hyped, and subscribe for more leaks as they drop. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.